Yes, LinkedIn for Lawyers to Leaders, brought to you by Chuki Obio. In today's episode, we will explore a very critical question. How do you find contacts on Wall Street Journal and then research relationships to those contacts on LinkedIn? So let's make it happen. As always, I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, perfect. So you are on the Wall Street Journal front page, and there are a number of different types of updates, business updates, legal updates that you are going through as part of your morning routine or as part of a lunch break routine. How do you start to flex your business development instincts as part of how you digest updates on the Wall Street Journal? So we'll start with the economy section. We go to bankruptcy. And the reason why this comes to mind is a number of attorneys that I work with are starting to think of creative and innovative ways to weave business development into their process as part of whether it's a downtime or break, whether it's a Zoom lunch or a WebEx coffee break. So you get to Wall Street Journal, you're going through any number of updates. For example, here we see that this organization, this company, Permian Tank, recently filed for bankruptcy. And then our instincts are activated as it relates to experiences and expertise that we might have to engage with this company. So I would just copy the company name and then navigate to LinkedIn as the next step. Hit the search magnifying glass, click all filters. And once you get to all filters, you can now insert the company name here. Because again, the search that we want to conduct here is a search based on how this prospective client company can help inform possible relationships we might have to decision makers to position our legal services. So I would run this search here. Just hit apply. All right, once I hit apply, I generate a number of results. And I see here with these results, what I'm keyed in on are any number of shared connections that I might possibly have. So I see here all the way at the top, I actually have a shared connection into the Chief Executive Officer. So what I can then do is leverage my relationship with TC to help inform a new relationship with the CEO. Even if I didn't have this shared connection and a possible relationship thread into this organization, one of the things that you can always activate as part of your relationship development efforts is we can go into a full profile here. Again, I don't have any shared connections to this contact, but what I can do is I can possibly leverage an alumni relationship, or I can leverage a past company relationship. So she used to work at the Kent companies, and to the extent that I have relationships into the Kent companies, I could leverage that to get introduced to this contact and then to start to position my services as it relates to bankruptcy law, bankruptcy regulation, bankruptcy support. This is how you leverage a Wall Street Journal headline as part of your prospective client research. You connect that research to LinkedIn to find relationship threads. Thank you so much for your time investment in today's episode. As always, I really appreciate your time investment, and gratitude is undefeated. Thank you.